See, I think we can all agree that long tube headers make more power than shorty headers. And long tube headers make more power than these stock manifolds. Now, why is that? A lot of people claim back pressure is a myth. It is. No engine is going to like back pressure. But you got to ask yourself, well, if that's the case, then why this short little guy is not making more power? Because clearly that's got less to travel than all of that. And you also got to ask yourself, well, then why have anything on here at all? Why not just go open head? Because what these long tube headers are doing is it's scavenging the exhaust pulses out of the cylinder. When this pulse runs down this tube, a vacuum is created behind it. This vacuum helps pull out the next pulse out of the cylinder, and so on and so on. As they're working their way down, each pulse helps pull out the next. That's scavenging. That's why longer tubes make more power, because there's more scavenging. And as you can clearly see, there's not going to be any scavenging going on here. Now we're down to the business end, okay? This is the collector. All the tubes come down and collect, hence the name, into this one point. See? Look, right there. Now, what should happen is when one pulse enters this collector, it should be pulling on all the other tubes, helping their pulses come out as well. Just like up there with the head, there should be a vacuum created here behind the pulse that extends to the rest of the pulses once they enter the collector, scavenging all of the other pulses out of all the other tubes. That is what's supposed to happen. But these are street headers. See, they got a flange to accept and exhaust. Okay? Racing headers don't have that. They don't have this flange. It's just open. But you'll also notice that the collector is a lot longer because this tiny space, just like that tiny space, does not give enough length in order to actually do the scavenging part that's supposed to happen. These are intended to be run with some sort of exhaust. That's why they made the collector so short. And that's why you're going to lose power. It's because you're not taking advantage of the scavenging ability of the collector because it's too short. Now, if you got one of these, 18 inches long, 12 inches long, popped it on there, then you would have a longer collector. That's why they're called collector extensions. And you would be able to actually pull the mixture out of